The heart, an incredible machine. It powers our body, day in, day out. It works without asking it to. It's the engine that gives us life. It tells you when to push. It tells you when to stop. It tells when there's problems. But few know how to care for it, because few know how to listen to it. This is why we made HEARTBIT, an advanced heart monitor and active wear system that helps athletes at all levels listen to their heart and take better care of it. HEARTBIT is not just a monitor. It's an integrated system made up of a compact and powerful monitor that measures stress levels, heart rate, and rhythm. A smart, machine-washable t-shirt for the monitors to clip on, and an app that helps you plan your activities and track progress. Collect insights before, during, and after your workouts, and present them in an easy-to-read format that you can share with medical professionals. HEARTBIT is for men and for women, for dog walkers and marathon runners, for indoor and outdoor. HEARTBIT is for anyone that wants better insights into their heart, so they can take better care of it. Because knowing your heart is knowing your health. The heart, an incredible machine. Look after it with HEARTBIT. HEARTBIT is the result of 4 years of development by over 20 technology and medical experts from the fields of mechanical engineering, information technology, health sciences, cardiology, body surface mapping, and electrocardiography.
HEARTBIT has a very unique algorithm that can tell you many things in relation to your heart.
It can provide you a clearest possible signal during movement, during body movement. It's clear as a clinical ECG.
We want to make insights of the heart available for everyone. And after years of development, we need your help.
HEARTBIT is ready to ship. We've completed development, produced our first 1,500 units, and we've tested our product on over 100 happy customers. All we need now to make our vision a reality is you. Thanks for backing.